Okay, so we're just going to talk technical stuff. We're going to talk Sierra charts, and we're going to talk alerts. Obviously, we all like to go and have a cup of tea or a coffee, and alerts give us a chance to move away from the screen, not stare at the screen, and get an alert. So, as an example, if I wanted an alert at the higher day, which is 532 here, I would first draw a drawing. I use the horizontal ray. The reason I use the horizontal ray is it extends automatically as it goes along. So obviously we've got a horizontal there, a horizontal ray there, right? And if you just look here under tools, you can find all your tools here, and it's there. Now, then you click on your tools and you right mouse and you go to chart drawing properties. Then when you've done that, you can choose all your different settings here, and down the right hand side you have an alert, and you have this for each of the chart drawings. Now when you go into this, you say, right, I want an alert if it crosses below or above or crossing full stop, the entire bar. Got all your choices here. So say for instance we want entire bar crossing, we just select that. If we wanted it from the low, crossing from the low, from above, then you'd do that. So it's quite easy to configure. Or for instance, if we've got high volume, we can say, right, if volume is increased, then we can basically we can say that. So now what I just want to show you is that's the first part of that, right? And then the issue, and obviously with volume, you'd have to have it on the volume chart. Right, just a point to note on that, right? The second part to this is that you need to select your trading alert. Now I've got loads set up already. They're all, there's loads. You can have over 200 alerts. So that's the side of the tool. So we're just going to come out of that for a second. And then we need to go to global settings. And then we go to general settings. And we then get an alert screen, which I'm just going to bring that up for you. It's just gone on one of my other screens. So if we bring that down, you got all your alerts here. So you name your alert, and then you decide what you want to do. So you can have a sound, you can have a user-defined name for each alert, which I suggest you do. You can send an email to yourself, right? You cannot do Twitter anymore. Sierra charts have removed it because they fell out of Twitter. So I kid you not, I did a nice bit of code on Twitter alerts and set everything up, and then they fell out. But anyway, not to worry. So you can text yourself. You do have to pay for that, and you've got to put that in the control panel. So you go into control panel and load it up with cache. So you can pop it up, and you can also do remote alerts. Don't need to go into that because you're not going to be using that. So that is the summary of how you set up an alert. Now, obviously, say for instance, you want to set alert number 1, target hit. Then going back here, when you go into here and click this, you choose that and put target hit there, and then it'll do that for you. And that is how you set up alerts. Any questions, Daniel?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
Short and sweet recording. I will